game.
Turuan mo ko ng maganda.
Sino gumamit ng gitara?
Put it in the gym room, it's warm.
Tinuturo ko si Christoph kanina, gitara ko.
Eman. Eman. Put it in the gym room, it's
Oven!
warm.
Eman, oven!
Mas mainit sa gym.
Put it there, put it there, it's warm. Everybody, I always do. Palaging gusto kong uunahin
Hindi masira.
than myself. You know, like just now. Hindi ko sinasabi na pagod na pagod ako, and so, dapat kayo naman. No! Tapos nakita nila ako with my guitar. Tapos nila ako mag-audition.
Kinanta mo yun.
So, yun nga.